The Thule ProRide bike carrier is the perfect accessory when taking the family out for a bike ride. In this video, we'll be installing the Thule ProRide on the Subaru Forester 2.5i-S all-wheel drive. Ensure you have your crossbars fitted to your Forester. Remove the black caps and slide the ProRide onto the crossbars, then tighten securely. Click the black carrier handles down to the ProRide and into place, then lock them with a key. Next, lift up the bike holder arm and remove the straps from the wheel tracks. Then, carefully lift the bike on an angle onto the rooftop. Put the arm up and screw it into place with a 3-prong handle and lock with the key. Ensure the front bike wheel is sitting in the track. Next, secure the front wheel. Ratchet it tightly and repeat this on the back wheel. Finally, test that the bike is secure, and then you're all set. Don't forget, all genuine Subaru accessories come with a factory warranty. Please check subaru.com.au for warranty terms and conditions.